Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show us the cheats or the way to unlock ChatGPT full potential with live internet access. So for those that are new to ChatGPT is an AI generational transformer technology that enables you to use the AI to do a conversation. In that conversation, you can ask a question and ChatGPT will give you a response using a prompt that is given to it to relate with you and produce an answer. So there have been a lot of updates going on this ChatGPT, and as time progresses, a lot of plugins that is making a lot of extension that is making the tools very easy and quick to use has been incorporated in Google Chrome. So I'm going to show you this particular trick that helped me to scale through and enable ChatGPT to give me a result in real time. So as you can see, if I open ChatGPT, you see what it says in examples. These are examples of the prompts. These are compatibility. The limitation, you see, may occasionally generate incorrect information. Yes. May occasionally produce harmful instruction or biased content. Yes. Limited knowledge of word and event after 2021. So you can see it's being pre-trained to gather information or remember events that happen 2021 and below. So any information that happened 2022, 2023, ChatGPT might find it difficult to comprehend. So, but I'm going to show you this simple trick that will help you to even get information from current events that is happening. So for those that are not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. If this video interests you, share this video with your friends and your family, and also leave your comment if you find it difficult, and make sure you click the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload fresh content. So without any further ado, let's quickly go straight to this tutorial. So as you can see, I've already opened my ChatGPT. For those that doesn't know how to get here, you navigate to, just go to your browser and type chat.openai.com/chat. Then it will take you to this place. If you have not logged in, to ask you to log in, or if you've not registered, you can register and it will open this. You can see you can toggle to light mode. When you open this, how your own is going to look like. For me, I prefer dark mode, so I toggle to dark mode. So what I simply do, I just need a simple plugin, Chrome extension. Open a new tab. I'm going to close this guy. So what you just simply need to do, come here, this three dotted, click on more, click on extensions, and click on this, and click on open Chrome web store. Or you can simply come to your web browser and just type the software. The extension name is called ChatGPT with internet access. We just put, add Chrome extension to it and click enter. You can see web ChatGPT with internet access, Chrome extension. Click on it, it will open directly to Chrome web store. You can see, so if you come here, still Chrome web store, you can still type the same. I've already typed it, so I just click on. You see, this is it. If you click on it, you see that it's the same thing. Productivity rating 103 users, over 300,000 users. So the first time I got to know about this app or this extension, it was about 100,000 users. So you can see, because it's not added on my Chrome browser, so I'm going to click on add to Chrome extension and click on add extension. So wait a minute for this to integrate. You notice something here, web access result. You see something changed here after I installed that Chrome extension. So it's already installed. So if you don't need it again, you come back to the Play Store, click on remove, or you just navigate to this place or click this extension. Then where is it again? You can pin it, come here, you can remove from Chrome. So it's very easy. So you can see, it's going to give us a result in real time. You say anytime, you can see anytime, past day, past week, past month, past year. So meaning that past year, that means it can give us result up to 2022. Past month, it can give us results of last month, February. Past week, it can give us result up to date till last week, event that occurred last week. Past day, it can give us result that happened yesterday, anytime. This is real time, so I prefer anytime. Then you can even filter by region. You can see almost all the regions are here. Okay, I'm from Nigeria. Let me see. Oh, for now, we don't have Nigeria on the list. Don't have Nigeria on the list. So I can just put it any region. So just put it any region. Then default prompt. You can set up your new prompt. You can use default prompt. So what is it saying? Default prompt. So click on default prompt. Or you can say new prompt. You can see new prompt, default prompts, web search results. So if you want to add a new prompt, you can add your own prompt here. Click on name and web result, query, current date, save. So you can save your new prompt here as well. You can decide to use the default prompt, but now we're going to go with the default prompt. So if you see web search result, current date, blah blah blah, this is a default prompt. So we can turn it off. Now I'm going to show you something now. Let me turn this web asset off and say who are the presidential aspirants in Nigeria 2023 election. So who are the presidential aspirants in Nigeria 2023 president? Who are the presidential aspirants in Nigeria 2023 election? So let's see what it's going to give us. You can see. You see, as of my knowledge, cutoff date of September 2021, the official list of presidential aspirants for Nigeria 2023 election had not yet been released by the Independent National Electoral Commission. You can see. So let me stop it here. You can see International Electoral Commission. However, there have been speculation and rumors about various politicians who may be interested in running for a presidential. Atiku, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Peter Obi. Yeah. You say, okay, you can see number state vice president. So now you say Nasir El-Rufai. So these are speculations because it's based on its trained knowledge. It's trained up to 2021. So now let me turn this web access on. Okay, let me turn it on and see what the magic is going to look like. Powerful. 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 You can see what it says. As of my current knowledge cutoff date of March 1st, today is March 1st, there are 18 presidential candidates running in the Nigerian election scheduled for February 25th, 2023. Some of the notable candidates include Atiku Abubakar, former Vice President of Nigeria, blah blah blah, under PDP, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Peter Obi, a former governor of Anambra State. You can see Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso. These are notable, and these are the 4 notable. It's important to know that some sources suggest that only 3 out of the 18 candidates have a realistic chance of winning the presidency, but it remains to be seen how the election will play out. You can see the first one was, they say, as of my knowledge cutoff date of September 2021. You can see now the official list of presidential aspirants for Nigerian election had not yet been released by the INEC. But here, when I turned this web access on, it told me, and I put it at any time, meaning it's real time. It said, as of my current knowledge cutoff date of March 1st, there are 18 presidential candidates running for this election. And he put the date of the election, some of the notable candidates, and he put the 4 notable candidates. You can see these powerful tools, what this powerful tool can do for you. This extension is so powerful that it can give ChatGPT internet access to a real-time information about your research. So guys, this is an amazing tool for those that have not been using ChatGPT. This is an opportunity for you to leverage this ChatGPT and do wonders for yourself. If you're a freelancer, you can utilize this. If you're a copywriter, anything you can think of, this tool is there for you. I'll be unveiling more strategies, more opportunities, more ways you can get your work simplified using this tool called ChatGPT. They have the premium version. If you want to upgrade, you can try it. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If I'm giving value, don't forget to share this video too to your friends. Leave your comment so that I will also answer you as help. Thank you guys for watching. God bless you. Bye for now.